Guys, we did it. We took a win after 2 weeks of a bunch of mediocre plays that didn't work. We took the two break evens yesterday, and we take the win today. It was nice. PA was pretty solid. A lot of movement. Trump Trump was speaking. He had like a meeting or something this morning, like pretty much during New York AM session, and then this big dump, or no, this big pump was like something about tariffs. But yeah, there was a lot of weird news today. But let's talk about what we're here for. We're here for the play. Let's go to the 1 minute. So, I mean, for the bias, we'll go back to the hourly. I mentioned this yesterday. We tapped into the 4 hour first presented gap in this nice breakout leg, which is nice. Beautiful wick into it. Awesome. Loved seeing that this morning. And then, if we go to the 15 minute, early on to the day, we create this CISD on the 15 minute time frame, which is perfect. And then we make a 15 minute gap, which is, it sirens in the head that, okay, let's respect this 15 minute gap and continue to this hourly gap up here, this internal high here, and start coming towards this big magnet, which is a new week opening gap. And price really did exactly what we were hoping today and kind of just trailed up. If we go to, let's say, the 5 minute for now. Again, we form the 15 minute gap. We start trading into the 15 minute gap. And if we zoom in more to the 1 minute, we get this nice little 1 minute inverse fair value gap. We're gonna get rid of the CISD for now. And yeah, this is the play. It was really, I mean, it was simple. There was a money sweep here, another money sweep, two manipulations. We formed the 1 minute gap, and we inversed it in I guess it's 4 candles. There's a little doji candle here. Inversed in 4 candles, and it was the same as one of the plays yesterday. It was the second bullish candle, so again, it makes a 1 minute gap to hold a support. Personally, I think it just makes it even higher probability, which is awesome. And then we couldn't have got a better delivery. We were targeting this hourly gap here, and if you go to the 15 minute, there's a nice little wick in there too. I'd say that makes it even better. But again, we couldn't have had better delivery to the TP today. Is there anything else I really want to say about this? I think there is. Oh, yes. So I scaled pretty solidly today. If we go to the 3 minute time frame, this 3 minute gets inversed. And as that gets inversed, I added to this position. Not exactly how much. I gotta stop saying Not sure how much, but did add to the position. It made sense at the time, and it ended up working out great. But what I did want to say was, if I'm gonna add to the position, price is most of the time gonna refill this 3 minute, but like when it gets closed. So I add to the position here, then I go into, not drawdown, but then I lose some of my, I don't know what the right word would be there, but the position closes, or the candle closes. I'm like, okay, that's even more of a sign that I want to be in this trade. So I could wait for price to refill the 3 minute candle and kind of get rid of the fair value gap that would be here. See this wick here, maybe scale here because I'm still loving bullish price action here. So I want to add more to the position maybe here. That's one thing I wanted to say. So I can maybe think about that next time I'm in a trade, and then just go to M&Q and see where exactly I scaled, because that was scaling was like a big part of today. I added to my position and it took away, and I thought I did it pretty well. So yeah, we started with 5 cons. Started with 5 cons, added 2 more at the 3 minute. We make a beautiful order block, even as some more support, some more pressure towards the bullish price action. Once we hit this internal high, I scaled 3. I think I could have waited just because I really just added 2 cons to my position, so I could have waited. But I scaled 3 anyway. Price gets a little higher. Scaled 2 more. Was totally fine with doing that. And then held 2 more runners until the hourly gap, and it ended up working out perfectly, which was awesome. Let's go to here. It was 1100 in each account. 1100 in each account. So now the 4 combines are at this number here, which is awesome. We really are one or two winning trades away from being fully allocated on Top Step, which is ridiculous. I have been working to be in the spot that I'm in, even though I had 2 really like shitty weeks of trading. I've still put myself in a good spot with the CPI win to be happy with where I'm at, and it needed the winning trade. It was good. But yeah, I think that's all I got. I'm excited to get in the charts tomorrow. We have some more news. We didn't fully fill the new week opening gap, so maybe we dump a little bit overnight, and there's some more higher targets tomorrow, but I guess we'll see. So yeah, that's it, and hopefully we snipe another win tomorrow, and we're that much closer to fully allocated on Top Step.